Crypto hedge funds traders short Tether after UST's implosion. The positions are worth at least hundreds of millions of dollars in notional value, one trader said. Crypto-focused hedge funds are increasingly shorting US dollar-pegged stablecoin Tether amid a bleak market outlook nearly a month after the implosion of Terra USD, Wall Street Journal said in a report on Monday. Quote, there has been a real spike in interest from traditional hedge funds who are taking a look at Tether and looking to short it, end quote, Leon Marshall, head of institutional sales at Genesis, said in the statement. Marshall added that the positions were worth at least hundreds of millions of dollars. Genesis and CoinDesk are independent subsidiaries of Digital Currency Group. Genesis said short positions increased after the multi-billion-dollar implosion of UST prices of the algorithmically controlled stablecoin plunged to a few pennies in late May, causing contagion risks damaged within the crypto space that affected prominent crypto lenders and trading funds. Some funds are shorting USDT as a bet on broader economy as the U.S. Federal Reserve raises interest rates to curb a 40-year high inflation. Others are concerned about the quality of assets backing Tether, as per Wall Street Journal. Stablecoins like Tether are backed by fiat currencies and equivalent asset investments such as commercial paper, bank deposits, bonds, gold, cryptocurrencies, and per issuer Tether Global. And cryptocurrencies as per Tether Global. The stablecoin market has taken a hit since UST's implosion in May, with investors redeeming huge amounts of USDT in mid-June. Real quick, on this entire subject, I wouldn't short Tether because it is not an algorithmically backed stablecoin, and it is backed, as they say here, by fiat currencies in the equivalent. So it's kind of crazy that that's how they that somebody would take out a position like this. The stablecoin market has taken a hit since UST's implosion in May, with investors redeeming huge amounts of USDT. In mid-June, investors pulled some $1.7 billion from Tether in a week alone, as reported. Tether's global market capitalization has fallen over $20 billion since mid-May, CoinGecko data shows. Funds like Fear Tree Partners and Viceroy Research LLC have previously bet against Tether, citing opacity about the asset's actual backing and the lack of audited reserves. Tether officials, however, denied such risks exist. In June, Tether said rumors of its portfolio being 85% backed by Chinese or Asian commercial paper were completely false and likely perpetuated by those looking to generate additional profits from an already stressed market. In April, a Tether spokesperson told MarketWatch that the short sellers seemed to be involved in a clever scheme to raise capital from those less knowledgeable by leveraging on disinformation with the end goal of collecting a management fee. And that's what it sounds like to me as well. Should you participate in shorting of Tether specifically? No, like I said, you are looking at a completely different situation than the algorithmically backed UST coin. Now, in regard to stablecoins in general, should you be utilizing stablecoins? And that's really going to be up to you. I think from a trading perspective, it makes sense because you can trade for a stablecoin within an exchange and then use that stablecoin to purchase a different pair. That sort of makes sense to me. Personally, I don't see the point in holding any sort of stablecoin because with the, access to crypto.com or Coinbase, you can cash out and have it as cash, a cash balance. You can put that cash balance somewhere else. And there's really no need for that. I think if you hold like a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin makes the most sense because it also has the most pairings. And you can just say to heck with all of the, all of the stablecoin areas, unless of course you are specifically trying to trade back and forth for something. So I've never been a huge fan of stablecoins. I don't utilize them a lot. The only one that I utilize right now would be like SIG for Sigma, SIG USD. But that's mainly because I'm just playing with that platform. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Morning Show every Monday through Friday, 7:45 a.m. Pacific and 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. You can check out more clips here, or if you're interested in checking out the entire live show, you can check that out down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.